Hello, welcome to Auto UK. Today, we dive deep into this groundbreaking creation. From its design and engineering to its unique features and real-world usability, let's explore why the Camper Tricycle is creating such a buzz in the UK's auto and outdoor community. Let's start with what makes this tricycle stand out: the design. It's built with minimalism in mind but doesn't compromise on functionality. The Camper Tricycle is compact, making it ideal for navigating narrow UK country lanes and fitting into tight parking spaces. But don't let its small size fool you. It's designed to maximize every inch of space for comfort and utility. Now, about the aesthetics, the tricycle features a sleek, modern exterior that blends aerodynamics with rugged camping elements. The lightweight yet durable aluminum frame ensures efficiency while maintaining strength. It's available in several striking colors, so perfect for making a statement on the road or at your campsite. One of the key aspects of the design is its modularity. The tricycle's rear section transforms seamlessly from a storage compartment to a sleeping area, giving you a fully functional micro-camper experience. By day, you have space for your camping gear, groceries, or whatever you need. By night, it transforms into a cozy sleeping pod for Onia or snugly for two. What about power? The Camper Tricycle features a hybrid electric drivetrain. It offers pedal assistance for eco-conscious travelers and a fully electric mode for longer journeys. The motor provides up to 100 miles of range on a single charge, perfect for weekend getaways or exploring the countryside without worrying about fuel stops. The tricycle comes equipped with a solar charging roof, giving you an additional 20 to 30% energy boost on sunny days. Imagine cruising through scenic routes while knowing your vehicle is harnessing renewable energy. Let's talk about handling and performance. The tricycle's three-wheel design provides unparalleled stability compared to traditional two-wheel bikes or scooters. It's particularly beneficial on uneven surfaces or when carrying heavier loads. The front suspension system absorbs bumps effortlessly, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're on asphalt or a gravel path. One of the standout features is its regenerative braking system, which not only enhances safety but also extends the battery's range by capturing energy during deceleration. And with a top speed of 25 miles per hour, it's perfectly suited for UK regulations, allowing it to be driven on cycle lanes in certain areas. Now, let's move on to the interior. Despite its compact size, the Camper Tricycle is all about clever use of space. The interior is equipped with foldable furniture, including a small table and seating area that doubles as the sleeping arrangement. The design incorporates hidden storage compartments for added convenience, perfect for stashing essentials like clothing, snacks, or a first aid kit. Speaking of essentials, the tricycle comes with a built-in kitchenette. Yes, you heard that right. It includes a mini gas stove and a collapsible sink. Whether you're making tea in the morning or preparing a quick meal after a hike, this little addition makes all the difference. For the tech-savvy, the Camper Tricycle doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a smart control panel that lets you monitor battery levels, adjust lighting, and even check the weather forecast. There's also a USB charging port for your devices, keeping you connected no matter where you are. Safety is, of course, a priority. The tricycle is fitted with LED headlights, taillights, and side markers for visibility in low light conditions. It also features an advanced anti-theft system, including GPS tracking, giving you peace of mind when you're parked overnight. Let's talk about who the Camper Tricycle is for. If you're someone who loves the outdoors but doesn't want the hassle of towing a caravan or driving a large camper, this tricycle is perfect. It's also ideal for solo travelers or couples looking for a more minimalist approach to camping. Urban dwellers, take note that this tricycle is easy to store, park, and maintain, making it a great option even if you live in the city. But what about cost? The Camper Tricycle is surprisingly affordable compared to traditional camper vans or motorhomes. With rising fuel prices and the increasing push for sustainable travel, this hybrid electric option is not just cost-effective but future-proof. And let's not forget the lower maintenance costs. With fewer mechanical components than a car, you save on repairs and upkeep. While it's exciting to think about hitting the open road, it's worth considering how the Camper Tricycle fits into the broader movement of sustainable travel. With its lightweight design and reliance on renewable energy, it leaves a much smaller carbon footprint than traditional vehicles. For environmentally conscious travelers, it's a way to explore without guilt. Of course, no vehicle is perfect, and it's important to consider its limitations. The Camper Tricycle is compact, which means storage and sleeping space are limited. It's not meant for large families or extended trips with multiple people. Additionally, while the hybrid electric system is efficient, it might not be ideal for those planning long-distance journeys without access to charging points. Despite these limitations, the Camper Tricycle's benefits far outweigh its drawbacks. Its compact size, affordability, and eco-friendly design make it an attractive option for a growing segment of travelers. Imagine this: you're cruising down a scenic route, the sun setting on the horizon. You find a quiet spot, park your Camper Tricycle, and set up camp within minutes. As the stars begin to appear, you're comfortably nestled inside, with just the sounds of nature around you. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a way to embrace simplicity and reconnect with the outdoors. The 2025 Camper Tricycle represents a shift in how we approach camping and travel. It's a symbol of innovation, practicality, and sustainability, a vehicle designed for the adventurer in all of us. Whether you're exploring the Scottish Highlands, the Lake District, or even venturing into Europe, this tricycle opens up a world of possibilities. So, what do you think? Could the Camper Tricycle be the future of compact camping? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting insights into the latest automotive innovations.